By 2050, the world will be shaped by technological advances and industrial achievements that are unimaginable today. Artificial intelligence will likely dominate every sector, transforming how we live, work, and interact. AI will become far more sophisticated, evolving from tools we use to integral partners in daily life. In the workplace, AI will not only handle repetitive tasks, but also make complex decisions, run entire sectors like healthcare, finance, and law enforcement, and even assist in creative fields like design, writing, and entertainment. Automation will be so advanced that most manual jobs as we know them today may be completely obsolete. Instead, people will focus on jobs that require critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Education in 2050 will be vastly different from the traditional systems we see now. Schools as physical spaces might become less relevant as virtual and augmented reality technologies allow students to learn from anywhere. Imagine students putting on a headset and experiencing ancient history firsthand, standing alongside virtual recreations of historical figures, or participating in real-time experiments conducted by AI-driven simulations. The curriculum will be highly personalized, using AI algorithms to adapt to each student's pace and learning style, ensuring they reach their full potential. There will be a greater emphasis on interdisciplinary learning, teaching students how to think rather than what to memorize. STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education will merge with creativity and ethics, ensuring that future generations are equipped to handle the ethical challenges brought by these new technologies. In terms of food, vertical farming, lab-grown meat, and plant-based diets will likely dominate, providing sustainable solutions to feeding a growing global population. Advances in biotechnology will ensure that food can be grown with fewer resources, addressing food security issues and minimizing environmental damage. Lab-grown meats, indistinguishable from traditional meat, will become commonplace, reducing the need for animal farming, which in turn will drastically cut down on carbon emissions. Urban areas will see the rise of vertical farms that grow crops year-round, regardless of climate conditions, allowing fresh produce to be available globally. Genetic engineering could also lead to superfoods crops engineered to be more nutritious, resilient to pests, and capable of growing in harsh climates. Even personalized diets could become the norm, with AI analyzing an individual's genetic makeup and health data to recommend the perfect diet tailored to their needs. Transportation in 2050 will be almost unrecognizable from today. Autonomous vehicles will rule the roads, making traffic jams and accidents a thing of the past. These vehicles will be electric and powered by renewable energy, creating a sustainable and efficient mode of travel. Public transportation will be revolutionized by hyperloop systems and magnetic levitation trains, allowing people to travel between cities in a fraction of the time. Flying cars, once a fantasy, will finally become a reality, especially in dense urban centers. With urban air mobility taking off, we could see cityscapes transformed with rooftop landing pads and air highways. Long-distance travel may also change, with space tourism growing in popularity, allowing ordinary people to experience life beyond Earth's atmosphere. Mars colonies and lunar bases, once the dreams of sci-fi, could become fully operational, with the first wave of interplanetary settlers already laying the groundwork for humanity's future in space. The industrial landscape will be redefined by robotics, nanotechnology, and three-dimensional printing. Entire factories will be run by autonomous robots that can work faster and more precisely than humans ever could. Three-dimensional printing will have moved beyond prototypes to mass production, enabling the creation of complex machinery organs for medical transplants, or even entire buildings at unprecedented speeds. Nanotechnology will enable breakthroughs in materials science, making products more durable, lighter, and more efficient. Energy will predominantly come from renewable sources, with solar, wind, and possibly even nuclear fusion providing a nearly infinite supply of clean power. Energy storage technologies will improve, making energy available on demand and solving the intermittency issues faced by today's renewables. Smart grids will connect every home and business, optimizing energy use and eliminating waste. By 2050, communication will be almost instantaneous and seamless. Advances in quantum computing will revolutionize how data is processed, making today's supercomputers look like calculators in comparison. The internet will be an ever-present reality, integrated into our lives through wearable and even implantable devices. The distinction between the virtual and physical world will blur with augmented and virtual reality technologies, creating immersive environments that feel real. People will be able to interact with loved ones, colleagues or friends from across the globe as if they were in the same room. Multilingual communication will become effortless, as AI-powered translation devices will allow people to communicate with anyone, regardless of language barriers. Human life expectancy will also rise thanks to medical breakthroughs driven by AI gene editing technologies like CRISPR and nanotechnology. Diseases that are incurable today, such as certain cancers or genetic disorders, may be entirely eradicated. We may even see age-related illnesses pushed back or reversed, leading to longer, healthier lives. With enhanced healthcare, preventative measures will become commonplace, allowing people to take control of their health with personalized treatments and interventions. Organ replacement will no longer rely on donors, as lab-grown organs or three-dimensional printed tissues will be readily available. As we approach 2050, the world will likely look more interconnected than ever. Global challenges like climate change, inequality, and resource scarcity will require international collaboration, and technology will be at the heart of these efforts. With AI governing more sectors of society, the challenge will be ensuring it is used responsibly, balancing innovation with the ethical considerations that come with such powerful tools. The world in 2050 will undoubtedly be more advanced, sustainable, and interconnected, but it will also pose new challenges as we adapt to living alongside the technologies that will shape the future.